Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make purple chocolate-covered strawberries step by step. Melt white chocolate gently, tint to a vivid purple, and prepare strawberries fully dry. Dip each berry, twist to remove excess, and place on parchment to set evenly. Add accents like darker purple drizzle, edible glitter, or sprinkles while chocolate is tacky. Chill briefly to finish, then serve chilled for best texture and shine. Start by laying out all tools and ingredients within reach so the process flows easily. Use good quality white chocolate and gel coloring for a concentrated purple that won't thin your coating. Dry strawberries completely to prevent chocolate seizing and to help adhesion. Keep a small bowl of warm water nearby to smooth out drizzles. Work in batches so each berry gets an even coat and time to set properly. If you're enjoying this video, please subscribe and like to support more simple dessert tutorials. On another note, after carrying strawberries home or a busy baking session, freshening your car is nice. I recommend Little Tree's Black Ice for a crisp, clean scent that cuts through food smells. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab one easily. Now let's get back to the video. Create consistent results by practicing a few dips to find your rhythm and temperature control. Hold berries by the stem, dip, and twist to remove excess chocolate so the coating stays thin and glossy. For a marbled look, swirl a darker purple or melted dark chocolate on top immediately. Use a squeeze bottle for precise drizzle lines or a fork for rustic streaks, then chill briefly to set the design.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.